Hey, SOC.OS community, it's Dave and Reels here. Hope you're well and safe. We thought we'd try something a little bit different today and deliver the release notes in a video style, where I'll just highlight and give a brief summary in a couple of minutes, the major tool upgrades, what we've been working on the last 3 weeks, sprint, and the major feature upgrades that are now available in the tool for all our users. So diving into the tool here in a cluster workbench, first and foremost, your agent status, if you can see that here behind the little recording banner, that should now be fixed. So you're going to see green with some heartbeat and some logging info when your agent is online, and that's going to be red if your agent goes offline. Obviously, the next step is to notify you via email if that agent goes down. The second biggest UI upgrade is your big clusters that used to take a while to load. We are now driving the visualization of these clusters using Elasticsearch, which means the clusters are going to be loading super quick. So even those clusters with thousands of entities and thousands of alerts, they used to take ages to load. That is now a thing of the past, helping you guys get onto your investigation steps really quickly. The next big thing, so not so much a tool per se, but wiki. So the SOC.OS Wiki is taking shape. We are now populating this. Over the next few weeks, we anticipate this to be complete, but it's obviously going to be a moving feast. So we're going to constantly upgrade this, and this is going to be your first point of call for onboarding, for user guides. We had some questions as why did this cluster correlate? We're going to put lots of information here for training and support purposes. And then the next step is obviously going to be linking this into the tool, so you have all the help that you need, diverting you to the SOC.OS Wiki. So stay tuned for that. Super exciting. In terms of a few bug fixes, so back to the tool, a bunch of UI fixes, but the biggest one is the wallboard user. We had some users tell us that you were forced to use MFA. That's now for the wallboard user. That's now resolved, which is great. And then moving on to the sources and the source systems that we integrate with, we've improved our mappings, our parsing, and entity identification for Trend Micro Deep Discovery, for our Microsoft suite, and for the FAS, the 4D Analyzer. So you should see some improvements there, the way we're managing and processing that data and displaying that data for you. And then we've added 3 new tools to our compatible devices list. We've got Office 365 Defender, and we've got Azure Advanced Threat Protection and Cisco Meraki. So if you have those tools, you want to integrate with them, give us a shout, reach out to our support, and we'll ensure to help you get that set up and integrated within SOC.OS. That's all. That's the major highlights for this release. As ever, please send us your feedback, defects, improvement suggestions. We live off that. So please, no matter how small and seemingly they feel, keep them coming. Thanks for listening to this video, and happy hunting.